Excuse me, Mr. President. Mr. President.
Build a wall, huge wall. Huh? I was working on my speech. It's gonna be amazing, fabulous.
I'll have to leave the room for a few minutes. Whatever you do, don't press that button.
I'm not gonna press it. Why would I press it?
Hey! Don't go back to sleep. We have work to do.
I wasn't sleeping. I was working on my speech. Okay?
Okay, here it is. This solves the world's problems. One teeny push.
Do you think he'll push it?
I don't know.
Who is he talking to?
I don't know.
Bullshit! Come on! What are you waiting for?
I gotta take this. It's Arnold. Hasta la vista, baby.
Donald, don't press the button. You would eliminate all mankind. Donald.